If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels with the inaccurate center hole data, there will be vibration at high speed. In this case, installing BONOSS Jeep wheel spacers can effectively stop the rubbing issue. Jeep wheel spacers allow a larger wheel and tire to be fitted without rubbing, by creating clearance to inter-wheel rear wheel components. This can prevent the tires from rubbing against the fender flares or suspension components when making turns or hitting bumps. As long as you use high-quality Jeep wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for vehicles. Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories that install between the hub assembly and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with heat dissipation grooves. The heat dissipation grooves are trapped behind the spacers. When rotating, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. By pushing the wheels outward, wheel spacers provide improved stability and better appearance. The wider track gives you better control on the road. BONOSS aluminum Jeep wheel spacers are made of virgin process, have higher strength, and are more suitable for driving in different environments, reducing the issue of spacer failure. Meanwhile, the aluminum wheel spacers are much lighter than steel ones, which effectively ensures driving safety. Besides, BONOSS wheel spacer has passed over 70 SGS2 test reports. Upgrading your Jeep with BONOSS wheel spacer is a smart way to improve both performance and aesthetics. With the right size selectors and active cooling technology, you get enhanced stability, better heat dissipation, and a safer driving experience. If you found this guide helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.